faggot. Mega faggot.
Bro, but
Guys, somebody has to throw it in the air, not in the water or against the ground.
What if we get stuck in the tree?
That's
Let's
an
go,
idea,
let's go.
huh? Guys,
I
let's
got one. Let's go.
We put the fish down here.
Dude, hey, give me your scissors.
This is my sleeve.
Actually, no, I'm gonna do that towards the end. Давай, ну давай, залезай.
Ну давай, залезай.
No, wait. Да, потом узнал, она стоит там $500. Я такой, Альпаго. Сейчас я думаю, блин, канал был уже.
Have you ever seen a fish swim?
What?
Catch and
Ah, fire!
Did it burn? Did it burn you?
Recording for 50 minutes. That's my like GoPro app, so I can record it.
Знаешь, на крючке есть палка.
You
С этим
comment.
барбом.
What a hook.
Oh, what a save.
Look at the back.
Yeah.
No idea.
I swear to God, bro.
They're all in the middle.
In the middle?
Yeah.
Why am I
By the mouth.
Huh?
And let's go.
Why am I not getting it?
Here, in the middle. Or if I don't get it.
Go to your corner. That one.
What?
I'm gonna tell you if you do it and not do it.
Backlash?